TTADC ni tuidul Mumbai TTADC amsai Hamkurai te lukurokno baniani sep khlai dinani Nahar Mumbai Northeast Small Finance Bank ni branch khulogi de Jakha Khumulwng
Ketal wansuk Mumbai ketal khe yapri senani tangbetang Nahari samung tangai tongo Tiprasa kami amchai eba TTADC amchaini lukurokni samungni sepno Nahari Bania hukbarni bisingti ajina lama funugui Northeast Small Finance Bank Khumulwng kaisa branch khulok Jakha abo baikhai kaইচার branch khulok jaknai hini shakha CEM Purnochandra Jamatia logio EM Komol Koloi CEO Rupali Koloi tei journalni tangphang rokbo tongbaikha TTADC amchaini lukurokni Hamkurai tai ajina lama fuharnani bubagrani wansuk Mumbai yak fologui samung tangmani bisingtino ongoi mangkha hini bo shakha Tebeskang Shalodal Bidal Department ni bakhaktibo lakai rinani wansuk mung naharjak tongo abuni thinang Hamkurai hini mongrejak tongnai hini shakha TTADC ni CEM Purnochandra Jamatia EM Komol Koloi tai bank ni adongrokni yakti Khumulwng ni ketal Northeast Small Finance Bank ni doglam Phiyok Jakha
Kini chung Maharaja ni wansuk mung kini chung yapre chelaika Khumulwng nini Northeast Small Finance Bank ini branch opening khaika mahike chara Tiprasa 8 branch khulok jaknai Northeast Small Finance Bank sini TTADC bai MU signing khaijak sini Tiprasa lukurokno chung banking service ni bisingte bekarokno chung loan donani bagoi chung process ta khlainai saktharnai phiaba tabok chung kahake saime khosba busuk manai busuk jana roi manai amo tabok khana chung thik khaime ko ani ke chung maximum lukurokno chung benefit khainani bagoi chung yapre chelaijak chini bobagrani bisingte financialo chung bank ni bisingte busuk benefit ma abo chung department wise loan ni byabostha busung thinang Hamkurai hne chung chalok khainai hai hne chung agreement khalaijak thinang Hamkurai ni bisingte ARDD fisheries agriculture sector ro chung jara loan nawi sakbai thangya pri grak nani bagoi economically strong nani bagoi saktharnai rokno chung chubanai ARDD department ni hoite phainai fisheries department ni hoite phainai jara fisheries charge khaiwi sakbai thangne rang puja rang bidino grak khainai ni wansok khainke fisheries department ni bisingte rimani bisingte phaimanai pon walk talk rimani bisingte sakbai thangno rang bidi mosbot khainai grak khainai khainke ARDD department chi phainai dei bichini Tiprasa chung jotno saimano agriculture development ungya hanke chini economic development ungya hani bangoi agriculture sector nang moi kutung khainai ni hoiti suru khaiwi bagan khainai ni amhai loan nana ni bagai bu chung system khai tongo local ni rukuro o amchai ni lukuro tomano samung khaiwi rang ajewi manai omono basic idea nawi ni chung MU signing khaika tani hinge chung juda bank ro thang khaike je boroni system bai bomhai no loan ma bono naiwi si ma khai chini oronge chung system khaika Northeast Finance Bank bai chung system khaika chini Maharaja system khaika nung nini amchai bo nung bomono nawi nung rang pucha ajai manai obo Tiprasa lukurok si wansok di ang omong bai si ani area wo bebosa khaiwi rang pucha ajai manai boni bagai ang rang nangu thanke bono nahawi project sinadi je buinoro nini dupkathi chula sinawi buinoro bebosa khaimana aro jaga dupkathi khainai je jaga nung moi kuthung khai kokia kaiwi sin nung aro jaga thalai kai
I really appreciate that Tripura Tribal Area Development Council has given us this opportunity to have an MOU with them to open branches in the interior areas. And for opening of accounts, you can have all the accounts here, like all other banks, all other commercial banks. Though this is named a small finance bank, not a small finance bank, it is actually a regular sort of scheduled commercial bank with a mandate to do financial inclusion, for which the name is small finance. That we have to give finances up to 25 lakhs maximum to the people for which the license is as named as small finance bank. Otherwise, you will get all the benefits here of our regular scheduled commercial bank. You can open a basic savings account without paying any money by simply giving your KYC papers, that your identification proof as well as your address proof. These are two essential documents you have to hand over. You can open business accounts with as minimum as only 5,000 rupees, where in other banks you have to give minimum 10,000 rupees. And you can apply and avail small loans for all livelihood generation activities, for agriculture, for weaving, for handicraft, for any livelihood generation activity, for piggery, for goatery, for fishery, for anything you can avail the loan from here. And Tripura Development Council has very kindly agreed to give interest subvention to these fresh borrowers also under the district council area. So that also people should avail that benefit. And all other even commercial vehicle loans also you can apply. You can apply for any other loans. That's what is the case. And we'll be happy to serve you here with all sincerity. This is the first branch, and we are opening another 8 branches in the Tripura Development Council area. Yeah, in this area. So we'll be opening another 8 branches. The next branch will be Killa and in Khumulwng. These 2 branches will be opened.
Khumulwng ni Hamkurai ni Bureau Report Khumpui.